I would love for you to join the course. It's a 4-week online course that's going to be interactive. It's going to be fun. And I truly want to help empower you to take control of your day, to take control of your relationships, right? Your career, parenting. This can help you on so many levels. Your health, how we think affects our day. How we feel affects our actions, right? All of that makes up our world. And this course can help you on that path. It can help you have a better day. And I would love for you to join me. So September 16th is when it kicks off. The cost for the class is $125, but I have an early bird registration that's good through next Monday, the 24th, for $99. Again, 4-week class, you get a workbook. We'll have lots of fun activities. We're going to meet via Zoom. We'll have small breakout sessions. We'll have the large group teach. I'll be sending you some fun things in the mail to be interactive during the course. So please join me. If you have any inkling of you're wanting it to be better, you're wanting to make a change, but you don't know how, this is a perfect place to start. I'll hold safe space for us to learn and to grow and to play together so that you can apply these lessons, you can apply these ideas to make your day, your career, your relationship, your health, your life better in every way. So I invite you in, take a look at the link and register. We'll see you soon. Bye.